It's Teacher Collins from High Owl Star. In today's lesson, we will learn about the letters and sounds of G, H, and I. What letter is this? This is the letter G. G is for girl and gorilla. What letter is this? This is the letter H for hat and hippo. What letter is this? This is the letter I for insect, and igloo, Try to remember these words with the letters G, H, and I. G is for girl. G is for gorilla. H is for hat. H is for hippo. I is for insect. And I is for igloo. That's it for today, class. I'll see you next time.